How to make a fast and easy I-cord. This is the easiest way I've found, is to create a long tail with your yarn and then create your slip knot the distance down the yarn. Place your hook in the slip knot, and then I have the remainder of the yarn in my hand and the long yarn tail down here. So we get the yarn tail and bring it from the front of the hook over to the back, and then bring your yarn from the ball of the wool over from the back to the front and pull through too. And just continue with that. Tail, front to back, yarn length back to front, and pull through. And it literally is just creating a thicker cord than the chain stitch. Chain stitch, sometimes you forget when you're counting how many you need. This way you can count as you go along. So it's tail, front to back, yarn length back to front, pull through. And just keep doing that. As you can see, it's creating a tail that's got quite a thickness, and it's got nice V's on it there for you to use the front and the back loops if you wish. And it's just got a little bit of thickness to it. So that's how you go.